In this exercise, we are going to access S7-1200 PLC tags from CAP server. So I'm going to monitor S7-1200 tags in CAP server as well, so we can further use it in our later lessons, right? So first of all, I am using physical PLC. To know the IP, I use this amazing software. This is my PLC IP. It is showing me 192.168.0.02, right? So now I'm going to open CAP server, which is one of the most powerful OPC software out there, right? So my OPC is already started. You can see in the taskbar. Let me open it from over there. I'm going to connectivity, add a channel. Here I will select which kind of brand I'm using, right? I'm using Siemens, and communication I'm using or connectivity is Ethernet. So here it is, Siemens TCP/IP Ethernet. Let me name it Siemens. I have to mention PLC network IP over here, my IP of adapter card, not of the PLC. It was automatically showing, right? It was on the same network. From over here, click to add a device. I'm using S7-1200. I will add S7-1200 over here. Now I will put PLC IP over here, 192.168.0.02, which was shown over here as well. Remember that I'm using a physical PLC. Here I will add some static tags. For example, on tag name switch, I have to use MX0.0. X means it is a Boolean address. Let me add one more tag for output. Let me name it lamp and put the address over here, QX0.0, and it has read and write access, both the tags. Now I'm going to open TIA Portal to create a program in my PLC. I have already selected a PLC over here in my TIA Portal, as you can see. I will go to program blocks and create a simple program of tags M0.0 and Q0.0. So here I have created a simple program. I'm going to download it to my PLC and load the program. Let me take this online and just simply test my program. Modify to 1 and back to 0. It's working perfectly. Now let me check in CAP server as well. Let me open OPC quick client and take it side by side. As you can see, some system tags of Siemens and the tags we have created are showing over here. So let me take these screens side by side. You can see the PLC, physical PLC over here as well. Let me modify it to 1. As it's a memory bit, it would be modified, and you can see output turned on PLC and in CAP server as well, and back to 0. Thank you.